Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be potting up an arrangement that was inspired through Instagram. I had saved the link somewhere, so I will post the picture and the Instagram of the person that I saw do something very similar to what I'm doing. So I'm giving credit to where credit is due, but many people have done this, so I don't know who was the first person to do it. All I know is I saw it before, and then I recently saw a picture again, and it just put me in the mood to really want to try to create something very similar. So in here I have some succulent cactus soil with some perlite mixed into it. I did order pumice finally, woo woo, through Amazon. I should be getting that shortly, and it was, I believe, free shipping, and the total for I think it's 2 gallons, I'm not sure, I can't remember, was $23. So I felt like that was pretty good. So I have some cuttings here on the side. I'm using a new tripod. This tripod, what it does for me, it allows me to set you up in a way where you guys can really see, and it's a little bit easier for me. But the only thing is, it's if you bump it, my camera is gonna shake. So that's the only thing. So I have a few cuttings that I cut a few days ago. I noticed about some what I noticed about some long cuttings is that they tend to turn a little bit sideways like this. See, they curve up. I don't know if they do that because they're looking for the light, because I did put them in a little bit of shade. So maybe next time if I put it in bright light, maybe it won't turn like this. But I noticed my Calicoy flapjack did that as well when I did that before. So I really didn't know what I was gonna do. I messed with it before I started recording, so now I have an idea, and now I'm gonna share with you guys. So I suggest you guys do that as well. You just, just start, and if you don't like it, undo it and then do it all over again. So this little pot, I have it packed with dirt. I need it to be packed, and I also need it to come up here. The key thing is to make everything look level. Essentially, this is gonna look, I guess, kind of like to me it reminds me of a picture, I guess. So I have these beautiful Calicoy. Guys, I promise you, I have severe bad memory. I think I remember like plants that I'm constantly seeing and naming, but I can't remember everything. But I will put the name on the screen for you guys. But this is a Calicoy, and I don't know if it's considered scallop, but so is this one. This is also in the Calicoy family. These are very easy to propagate, and they're very forgiving, I feel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and okay, the next thing I wanted to say. So obviously these plants are going to be laying like this. We're going to be laying down rock. Actually, I should do that first. The problem was I wasn't sure about what I wanted to do. Like if I wanted to create a scenery or just have it all one color. To be honest, I don't know if I have everything that I want to work with. So that's the only problem I was coming up in my head, because I didn't know how I wanted to do it. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna go with the shell gravel. I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go ahead with my what I call beach gravel, because that's what I have the most. Well, that's what I want, because there's nothing else. I have big rocks, but I don't want to do anything with big rocks. Maybe I'll do something different at the bottom, maybe. So I'll remove these pieces of coral. There's big chunks of coral in here. I don't want that. I just want the shell. I live in Florida, right? So lots of shells. There's some big chunks here. So today I woke up, it was so nice outside. It was 76. I was like, yes. But then, you know, it's starting to warm up already. I don't want the big chunks of shell, just the small ones. If I had the pumice, I could create, you know, a white sky with the blue glass stones that I have, make it look like the sky. But I don't have the pumice yet. It's coming in the mail. Maxie's always whining. Guys, I'm slacking. I'm already making this video and I still have a video that I need to edit and upload. It's a vlog video. Hi, Sam. What you doing, buddy? You can, the creativity for this, the ideas are endless. You can come up with so many different, you know, themes. I want it to be very thick where you don't see any of the dirt. And the plants, you know, they're going to be laying on top of this, so you want this too. See, that's why I call it gravel, because there's a lot of broken shell, like very itty bitty pieces of shell. I'm sorry, my neighbors are outside. You're gonna hear them. They probably hear me talking to myself. They're like, what a weirdo. Finally went to the gym today. I couldn't go. I really missed it. I'm not a afternoon person, Jim. I'm a do it in the morning, get it out of the way kind of person. And then by the afternoon, I'm just busy. You know, the girls are home. We just got home from school. And there's just things that I need to do. I was never really active as a teenager, and I wasn't raised in Puerto Rico. Maybe if I was raised there, I would have been like into volleyball, because they do a lot of volleyball. But by the time I went there to Puerto Rico at the age of 14, I kind of felt out of place, you know? So I wasn't very active. So I never was like, what's it called? Yeah, an athletic person. But now, like, going to the gym and just, if you make it a routine, you actually feel weird when you don't go. So that's a good thing. You know, and the girls see, you know, that exercise is important, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna start placing these for now and see how it's gonna start looking, because I haven't decided what to do at the bottom. So you just kind of push it like this all the way in there. This is such a cute idea. Like, whoever did this first, kudos to you. Right? So, just pushing it down in there. There we go. And I want this one to kind of it's so cute. Can you guys, does it look straight? You want it to look straight. Okay, so your cuttings is good if they have long stems. Some of them do and some of them don't, but I'm going to work with them. I'm going to try to make sure that I have, you know, I got to pack the dirt up, I mean the soil. I got to pack the soil upward. See, because if it's long, it'll be better. You don't have to struggle so much in trying to, you know, get it to stay. So I gotta try to be gentle and put the soil here. And you can even, if I have something to poke a little hole with, that would help. Like that. I need to move that little leaf. Don't worry, I will. See, this one is a good long piece. Don't know the name of this one at all. Don't know. See, buying cuttings on Etsy or other websites, it's a good way to build your collection, get some unique stuff. I believe I got this maybe from Etsy a long time ago. I'm not sure. You want it to look packed. Where's my little... Oh, I don't want any dirt on the shell, so I gotta blow it this way. So cute. Need this thing. There's no soil in there. Let me see if I can scoop just a little bit. They don't need a lot. They just need something to grab on. Oh, I have a better way. Where is it? I guess this. Well, I'm flicking it everywhere I go on. This is a makeup brush. Okay, that is looking so nice. What to do at the bottom? I don't know what kind of rock to put at the bottom. I don't know. Let me pause for a second and think. Okay, guys, I went ahead and filled the rest with the shells, and then just to break it up, I put these rocks here, these river rocks. I think it just makes it look a little bit more complete and helps it stand out. It's like she's sitting on a little wall of rocks. So I think it looks pretty cute that way. And that's it. There's nothing to it. How I would probably water this, I'd probably take a syringe. Where is it? I have a syringe. And I would probably like try to angle it this way and just squeeze the water out, and that would be it. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. You have a blessed day.